Good evening, everybody. Today we'll be unboxing 5 Pokemon Go deep packs. So let's get started. So I'll just cut open the packaging. So let me pause this first. So let's continue open. Let's open them up now. Wait. What is this? I don't know what's that, but I don't really know. Battle Data, Parasect, Radiant Steelix. Interesting. Rotom 5, Berserker 5, Hayama, James, Komala, and Kessika. So, not too bad, pretty low. Now let's go to the second box. What is this? I don't know what that means. Okay. Giranta, wow. Okay. Gudra. Basigologon, I don't know what the hell is that. Koopa. Zorak. Chandelier. Drapion, and finally another Aerodata 5. Okay, next box. Next pack we have ooh, not bad. Charizard. Next, what is another Girantana? Okay. Basculion, Genja, Girantina, Berserker, Parasect, Darkrai, Pidgeot V, okay, and a bonus no. We got 2 packets left, so let's check it out. Oh, what's this? Wow, Ness is gonna go crazy when she sees this. Aquarium of Ice Kingdom. Okay. Next we have Snorlax. Okay. We got Gudra. We got Rotom. Wait, what's behind? Oh my god, we got Honchro as well. We also got Galstria. What's this? We got Emanomers. What the heck is this? Okay. Bofriend, Manelectric, and another Parasect. Last pack, let's go. We got a Gudra. What? Dugong. Okay. Another Pidgeot 5. Gudra, another Gudra. Obito. Arcanine, not bad. There we go, Zoroark. And we got another Gudra, another Basculegion, and finally an Emoras. I don't know what this is, but yes. That's pretty good pulls. It is probably fake. So thanks for watching and see you real soon. Bye now.